Hello folks, thanks for watching. Look, been searching around some YouTube videos relating to how to change oil filters on motorcycles. There's a few getting around where people are asking, there's a dent in my filter, is this a problem or not? And I had a hunt around and couldn't find much that related to what's inside an oil filter. So what I've done for you guys now is pull one apart. Here's one I prepared earlier. This filter's from a GSXR 1000 K5, and what people were complaining about was when they removed them using their removal tool, make a big dent in it, just like I've done here when I removed my filter. Now apparently these should only be put on hand tight only with a couple of turns of the wrench. I used this pretty cheap and nasty wrench here to get this one off because it was quite hard to get off and I didn't feel like drilling holes in it. If you can't get them out, you can drill a couple of holes on each side, screwdriver through it, get a yank. However, this tool here, slip them around, wrench them off beautifully. But in doing so, the hard part of the tool makes a big dent in it if it's on tight, as you can see here. And certainly when I put my new one on, I gave it a little bit of a tighten up. You don't need to do them very tight at all, just when you feel it taking a quarter of a turn, the rubber ring which I've removed from here takes up the surface and she goes on without leaking oil. Now as far as using these without a dent, look, if there's a little dent here or there or anywhere around there, I couldn't see it being too much of an issue in relation to oil flow. But if you've got a dent anywhere around this part here or in here, I wouldn't use it. I'd be chucking it and spending 20 bucks and getting another one. So anyway, inside it, I've just cut this one open. So all we have is a little spring here to keep things in nice and tightly once it's all together. It's obviously some sort of baffle, this rubber ring here. So this sits on here, the ring goes down there, and that goes on there. So when she's together, the oil flows in, I would suggest through the center port there, correct if I'm wrong, type, you idiot, and goes through the filter and back out again. But what I'd probably suggest is looking at it, it goes in through the outside, so in through these small holes, type, you idiot, and out the big hole in the middle. So acts as a filter. So as you can see, if you do have a dent in it, the oil is still within reason going to flow through the filter element and back into the motor nice and clean like it's supposed to. Hey, look, if it's dented all the way around, it's going to start restricting it, but one little dent in it, you can see, isn't going to do a great deal of stopping the oil from flowing through that filter. Okay, so there's a question answered. Can I use a filter with a small dent in it? Well, absolutely, now that you've seen what's inside this baby. Okay, ideally you want to try and get it on without putting a dent in it, but if you have a small dent, yeah, absolutely no drama. Any other opinions? Hey, drop me a line, let me know if you like this, if you don't like it, etc, etc. No worries folks, till my next upload, hey, take it easy, talk to you soon, ciao for now.